Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper rear wiper, full guide. Open the hatch, lift the wiper arm, and press the release tab to remove the old blade. Clean the arm and check the nozzle alignment, then snap the new blade into place until it clicks. Test the new wiper by running the washer to ensure proper contact and smooth motion across the glass. Start by lifting the wiper arm slowly until it rests upright. Do not apply excessive force. Locate and depress the small release tab on the blade assembly, then pull the blade straight down to free it from the arm. Wipe the arm and pivot area with a clean cloth and examine the mounting for rust or damage that might affect the new blade's fit and performance. Position the replacement blade so its connector matches the arm hook, then push the blade upward until you hear a firm click. Carefully lower the arm back onto the glass, avoiding any sudden drops that could damage the window. Activate the rear wiper and washer to verify smooth sweeping and consistent contact, and recheck the connection if you notice skipping or streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.